I know you love this car, Lexus, but be careful when you drive this car. Be careful how you drive this car because this is so expensive shit to be fixing. So this car just has a uh, engine problems, I guess, because it's stalling the highway. Maybe the time chain is not good. So I'm working to see if I can save this car engine. That's I will, but that's cost a lot of money to be fixed. So if you want to buy this car, think about money you want to spend, because if you are a cheap guy, you don't want to spend money fixing this car, don't buy Lexus, because this has pain in the ass to fix. You see, to replace the water pump, you have to lift up this engine. So think about doing the timing chain, how difficult it is, how many hours you have to spend to fix the problem in this car. See all the coolant come out for the intake manifold. You see, I never see this thing like this. Is like trees, Christmas trees. So be careful when you want to buy a car like this, because this is gonna eat you a lot of money to be fixed, my friend. So be careful.